What are you doing? Why are you walking away? You're not a crab. Let's see if we can find the other two. Very slowly they're coming. It's a huge pirate ship to play on. I think I lost Leland. She's gone. This thing looks like a huge death trap. But the kids seem to love it. What are you doing now, crab? Do crabs crawl across nets?
Yes.
Oops! Ow! She went sliding down alright, right on her hiney. Come on, Kaylee. Come on, KK. Come on. Woo! Come on, girls. Leland, what are you gathering? Come on, Kaylee. Are you cheesing? It's videotaping. Come on.